What up, guys? Remember the Heaven 1 airdrop that we participated in on the Satoshi application? All right, guys, the Heaven 1 mainnet is live and we can now claim our token into our wallet. All right, it is already listed on some exchanges like Kucoin and is currently trading at the rate of 0.02 USDT. All right, but I think it got listed as 0.04. all right, anyway, in this video I'll be showing you how we can get started, how we can claim our token into our own personal wallet, before even talking about how you can sell it or send it to the exchange. All right, so if you participated in that airdrop and you don't know how to get your airdrop right now to claim your token, then you have to pay attention to this video, because I'll be showing you every single thing you need to know and how to do it in this video. So stick to this video to the end if you are interested. Alright, guys, so today the Satoshi application, they made this post today on their Medium and also shared it on their Twitter and also their Telegram application, their Telegram channel. See this link right here? I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. That's where you can check if you are eligible. First of all, you have to check if you're eligible, and to be eligible you have to make sure you've done your KYC and you have to make sure you use the wallet you submitted on your Satoshi application. All right, you have to make sure these two things I just mentioned are intact. So after that, you can proceed into claiming your tokens. All right, now before we do that, I want us to quickly check out what they posted here, things we need to know before we go over there to claim our token. All right, now I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm just going to go straight to how to claim and sell. All right, so this is it. So we have 60 days to claim this airdrop. So if you don't claim yours now, before this 60-day runs out, I think you are going to lose all your token forever. It's going to be gone, or I don't know what's going to happen next, but you're going to lose it. All right, so after claiming your airdrop, the only way you can sell this time around is you will need to use the swap on the Heaven 1 platform. You have to use the swap. That's how you can sell or swap it to another stable coin. All right, or you can either use the bridge. You have to use the bridge and bridge it, because you can't use the H1 token directly from the mainnet into the Kucoin, or you can't send from the mainnet to the exchange or to the decentralized exchanges, which is the Uniswap or Kucoin. So you still need to bridge. You need to use the bridge to bridge it, and I'm going to show you how to do all that in this video before you can sell. All right, if you try sending the H1 token that you claim directly into any exchanges, you are definitely going to lose your token. So make sure you pay attention to these things I'm showing you. Except you just want to waste your time, you just want to lose your token, then there's no point even mining in the first place. All right, so quickly, I'm not going to waste much of your time here. I'm going to head over to my MetaMask and show you how this thing is done. All right, so first of all, you need this link I showed you earlier on. You need to copy the link. The link is in the description of this video, or you can go to my Telegram channel. You'll get the link there. So you copy this link, you head over to your MetaMask wallet, and you paste the link there for you to check if you are eligible for this airdrop. Quickly, let's go over to my MetaMask wallet and I'll show you how to get this thing done. All right, guys, so once you get into your MetaMask wallet, you get to this site right here using the browser section anyway. So once you get here, you connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you will need to also add the Heaven 1 network. All right, so it's going to automatically ask you that, then you switch your network and you are going to go on that. All right, now before you be able to, once you connect your wallet, you're going to notice that you're going to see if you are eligible or not. It's going to tell you on your screen right here. You're going to know if you are eligible or not. But as for me, I'm eligible. You can see mine is already, my KYC has been completed. That's why I have this tick right here, this green tick right here. So once you have that green tick, know that you are eligible and you can go ahead and do whatever you're supposed to do right here. Okay, now before you be able to claim, they will tell you to watch video. So just click on the play button right here and watch this video. I'm just going to do that, and I pause this video for this to go over, for this to be over, then I'll show you what to do next. All right, guys, so I just finished watching the video. All right, I just finished watching the video, although I didn't even see any video. It was just the audio I was hearing. So I just finished that. Now you can click on continue right here. If you do that, if you finish watching also, you are going to see this continue button is going to be highlighted for you. Now this is, you are going to see your allocation right here. This is what I'll be claiming, 5,161. all right, of the H1 token. All right, so if you're seeing yours this way, meaning you're eligible and you can also claim yours. Now we have different options of claiming. Right now, if I click claim right here, I'll be claiming exactly this amount on my balance straight away. All right, to be immediately I can get this. Now if I decide to claim on this section, I'll be claiming immediately. They will be giving me 3,000. Why? They'll be doubling my funds. All right, this is like double times 2 of my allocation. So they'll be giving me I'll be getting 3,000 immediately, and the remaining one, the remaining 600, the remaining 6,800 and whatever balance is going to be vested for me. All right, so it's going to be converted to ESH1. All right, as reward. Now this option is for someone that wants to maybe still invest in the ecosystem of the Heaven One blockchain. All right, and the last one also, it has a very good mouth-watering offer right here. You can see I'll be getting about 18,000 of this token if I decide to go with this option, meaning I can get instantly just 860 tokens, and the remaining 17,000 tokens will be invested for me, and it's going to be like staking. It will be staked for me and generate income for me for the next 360 days. All right, but guys, right now I don't think I want to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and claim my token 100%. I want to claim everything right here, right now on my balance. Okay, to do that, you click on this claim here. I'm going to click here. All right, claim, confirm this. Yes, I will confirm. Oh, very good. I'm claiming now. All right, so you confirm this. All right, I've confirmed this. All right, guys, so my claim was successful, guys. It was successful. I just claimed this completely. Right now I just claim everything. All right, after claiming your token successfully, you get to this page and you can see options of things you can do with this token. Anyway, I'm going to close this right here right now. So the next thing you should do is for you to swap. That's the first thing we are supposed to do. We will need to swap from the from the Heaven One token, and we need to swap it and wrap it quickly. All right, so what we'll do is to click on the menu section, which is right here. Click on it. It's open. Once the menu opens this way, click on H swap. You can see H swap right here. So if you click on it, it might take you out of MetaMask. All right, so once it takes you out of MetaMask this way, all you need to do is to copy the link from your browser URL. All you have to do is to copy the link from your URL up here. So you click on it, you tap on it, then you click on this button, this copy button, you copy it and you go back to your MetaMask wallet and you open it. You paste it in the browser section to open this wallet, to open this swap page in your MetaMask wallet. Now let's do that quickly. So once you get here, all you need to do is to swap this to a stable coin. Now to swap to a stable coin, we'll select the stable coin right here under the Heaven One network. Click on select token. All right, so what we do here, I'm going to over here now to select a stable coin. I'm not going to use any one of these. I'm going to use the WH1 here. Swap it to WH1. That's the best for you. All right, just swap it to WH1. Click on WH1 here. Here we are getting WH1 here this way. Then you wrap it. Just wrap everything, max, and wrap everything. Click on wrap. All right, it was successful. You can see already I have 8 WH1 here already successful. Now you can go over to your wallet and see to confirm that it's really successful. Okay, so you can see here I have my, okay, you can see I have my token here that the wrap H1 has been sent, is over here. Now in order for you to get this in your wallet, you need the contract address. The contract address is in the description, or it's to be in my Telegram channel. Go there, you get it and you can copy it and do the same thing. All right, now after getting this on your wallet, you can, let's go back there. You will have to bridge from here back to Ethereum network. So let me click here, because without bridging, if you try sending your token directly this way, I told you you're going to lose it. So what I'm going to do is click here. Back here, you just have to connect wallets. All right, so once you get back on this stage, on this page, all you have to do is to click here. Then we have to bridge this time around. Click on bridge. All right, so after swapping, you have to bridge. You click on select here, you select the token you want to bridge. Okay, we're going to bridge, let's take from here. Click on Heaven One. Yes. Okay, we are bridging to, okay, click on it, click on the token itself. All right, then we are bridging to select Ethereum. Okay, yes, Ethereum is going to give us Ethereum tokens now. Okay, all right, to Ethereum, click on Heaven One. Okay, very good. So now all we have to do now is to click on max. All right, then all we need to do is to confirm this. Now to bridge, okay, bridging is free. Okay, we're not paying anything. Okay, they will take 5 from the, okay, very good. So you're going to click on confirm here, approve this. Okay, so now we are bridging from Heaven One mainnet to Ethereum network. All right, so we'll be able to receive this token under Ethereum itself, and it's this token that we receive under Ethereum we are going to be sending to exchange for transaction. All right, so I'm going to click next. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for this to complete the transaction to be successful. So now we are bridging from the Heaven1 network straight to Ethereum itself. Alright, so you just wait for a few minutes for this to be over. Waiting for a few minutes, it became successful. You can see right here, it's successful. So now it has been swapped, it has been bridged from H1 network to Ethereum. So all you need to do now is to go to your wallet, check your wallet. Alright, now I'm going to switch this to Ethereum. Going to leave. Let's go to Ethereum mainnet. All right, so once you switch back to the Ethereum network, you will need to click on import token. Now this time around you need a contract address to be able to see this in your wallet. All right, so to get the contract address, go to my Telegram channel or you check the description of this video. You are going to see the contract address, so you paste it here, and once you paste it, it's going to bring you more information about the token. Or right, so you can see we have the full information here. Then you click on next so that you can import it into the wallet. So after clicking next, all you need to do now is to go over to your Kucoin, where you want to send it to the exchange. You go over to Kucoin and you'll be able to copy the wallet address from Kucoin, then you send your token right there. But guys, remember, you will need Ethereum in your wallet. Some Ethereum is needed. I have some here. I don't know if it's going to be enough, but I'm going to give it a try and see if it's going to be enough. And if it's not, I'm still going to make a deposit of Ethereum so that I'll be able to send it over there. Now quickly, let's go and copy our wallet address from Kucoin over and bring it right here. Okay, my Kucoin right here. I'm just going to click on deposit right here. Click on deposit, then look, you can type for H1 in this box right here. I'm just going to click here. I already have it here because I've already checked it previously, so I have it here. So I'm going to click on this. All right, Ethereum. Okay, so you can see the warning here. It says you should make sure you are sending the one on Ethereum blockchain. All right, do not try sending from H1 mainnet. All right, or else you're going to lose the token. So you copy here, you copy. Okay, got it. I'm just copied mine, and don't show me this again. Copy, then I'll go back to I'll be going to my MetaMask wallet. All right, so over here, back here, I'm just going to click here, click on the Heaven1 itself. Then I'm going to click on the send button. All right, then I'm going to paste the wallet address in this box here. All right, so I've just pasted the wallet address. I'm going to click on next. Click on next right here. All right, then I'm going to click. Okay, no, I think this is just a network issue. All right, don't worry about this. So I'm going to click on I'm going to type the amount I want to use. 5,146. okay, I'm just going to send that to the exchange by clicking next right here. Okay, then now we're going to see how much gas fee is going to require, how much worth of Ethereum is going to require. All right, okay, I think I have that. I think I have enough Ethereum to settle this bill. All right, so I'm going to click on I think I'm going to click on send. So I've just performed the transaction, and I'm just going to wait for a few seconds or few minutes for this to leave this wallet, and it will be going straight to my Kucoin exchange, and that's where I'll be able to sell this token to USDT directly. Okay, it's as simple as that. I'll receive this in my Kucoin wallet straight away, and I'll be showing you guys. Okay, now the transaction is completed successfully, so now I can go and check my Kucoin and see if I receive my Heaven1 token right there. Now you can see my balance is empty, it's all gone. All right, you can see I have 0 here, so I have to go over there and check it out, guys. So I just received the token in my Kucoin wallet. All right, let me click here under funding. You see it under funding. Okay, very good. You can see it right here. This is it. This is my token here. Now I can go ahead and sell if I want to, guys. I think the price has already dumped. Let me even check how much it is right now. How much is currently trading? Earlier when I checked, it was 0.026. okay, now it is 0.022. all right, so it has really dumped. Guys are really selling this coin right now. But guys, I think I'm going to sell mine too, because you can see the chart is going down. I'm going to sell mine too so that I can look for a good entry and buy later on. All right, so that's just how it is, guys. So I believe you follow every step and every single step I showed you in this video, you should be able to do everything, claim your token, and even withdraw it to your exchange by yourself. All right, guys, so this is a very simple thing I showed you guys, and if you pay attention, you will do yours too successfully. The contract address are available in my Telegram channel or the description of this video. Go ahead, look for them, you get it there. All right, guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time checking out my videos or following my tutorials, you should do well to subscribe to this channel, because I do more of tutorials and also show you how you can make some extra income online every single day. All right guys, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends, and also help someone else that wants to get this done by himself. All right, so guys, I'll see you guys again in my next video.